Hi guys, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. I'm very much excited about today's video because I am going to share with you guys my parents' home tour. And this home we almost said 6 years back, and it's one of my favorite space because this house gets a lot of sunlight. It's too bright and too lively, and there are a lot of trees around, so I just love this space. Other thing is all the decors and the furniture we purchased for this house has a connection with us because we have roamed so many shops to get a specific decor piece or a furniture. So I'm so excited that I'm going to share with you guys this space. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
This is our base, our favorite place, our beginning and end to each day. It's our triumph and glory that these walls tell stories as they soak up all we do and say. This is our space. Each corner is laced with items we have chosen with care. From sweet scented candles to fixtures and handles, the atmosphere is just right to share. So near or so far, wherever we are, no matter where we chose to roam, we live and we learn, but we always return. This is the place we call home. This house belongs to my parents, so as soon as you enter the house, you will be able to see this large Ganesh painting. This painting is very special because it was done by my mother. Let me give you guys the closer look. Since we see this frame as soon as we enter the house, we feel so peaceful and pleasant. Whatever things you see here was either done by me and my mom or we bought it from a local shop in Chennai. There is only one piece which I bought from online, that too after my marriage. As you come down, you will be able to see 3+2 wooden sofa seating, and this wooden set we got from a local shop in Chennai, Vadapalani, and you can see the cushions are on brighter side. So hence too I wanted to lighten that up. So hence I have used a shawl there which was my mom's on the 3-seater to lighten down, because in this living room you will see a lot of red and brown, so I wanted some lighter shades, so I used this shawl. And also on the top of the sofa I have used a sofa set which is of light color. And at the back of this sofa is the curtains. This curtain we got it stitched, customized as per our requirement, and this was done by a shop which is in Kodambakam, Chennai. If you guys want the location or contact number of that, do let me know in the comment section below, or I will share it in the description box. You can see this was stitched almost 6 years back and it's as good as new, and I just love the quality. You can see it's of very good quality, and also we have asked the person to use lining because this house gets a lot of sunlight. So if we want to make the room look darker, then we'll be closing off the curtains and the balcony. Since we have used linings, the sunlight would be blocked. These cushion covers I got from an exhibition in Chennai. These are also available on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. In the center, I have used a center table which also I got from a local shop, and on that I placed a candlelight holder, and below that I have used a carpet which I got from an exhibition in Chennai. So friends, you can see by using this shawl, the sofa color has bit lightened down. I have a plan of changing the sofa cushion covers. So since lockdown was going on, I was not able to do it till now. So I'll be doing it in near future, and I'll be also doing a transformation to this living room, which also I will share with you guys. And there is one balcony here which I'm not going to share it with you guys because there is not much in that balcony, because we don't stay here for longer time, so that's the reason we haven't kept anything in the balcony. So above the balcony is a glass painting which was also done by my mother. Let me give you guys the closer look. You guys can see it looks so beautiful. My mother is my first teacher. I learned all the art forms from my mother. I just love this painting. So as we move this side, in the ceiling we'll be able to see two ceiling fans and this ceiling light. This ceiling light we got from a local shop. And this side will be the TV unit. Actually we have installed Wi-Fi recently, hence you will be able to see a cable. In this lockdown we installed it, so they will not fix the cable properly, so which I'll be doing shortly. So above the entrance door is the Venkateshwara Swami photo. And as you come this side, actually this is our TV unit. We do not fix the TV to the wall, we have used a TV unit instead. So near the TV unit is this flower pot which we got from a local shop in Chennai, and the shop name is Connections. Both the flower pot and flowers I got from Connections about 6 years back. You can see they are still good in quality. And that's our engagement photo, and this is my Anna and Vadina. And this side is a planter which I did recently. I'll put the link in the description box, you guys can check it out. As we move this side, there is another planter. In both these planters I have placed money plant. And beside that is the most important part of all our lives now, the sanitizer. Let me show you guys what is there inside my showcase. So as I already said, most of the decor pieces except one I have got only from local shops in Chennai. These small fishes which you see here, we got it from Switzerland when we went for honeymoon. So these are special ones. So let me show you guys what is there inside this. You'll see a lot of Ganesha here. You can see different types of Ganeshas here. And we got this marble elephant pear and Ganesha from an exhibition. So you can see it looks so good on this wooden background. And this crystal flower I got from a local shop. And this crystal flower my sister got from US. So you can see this section is only for Ganesha. So as you see down is our TV unit. So beside that I have kept my DIY planter along with money plant, and beside it is a sleeping Ganesha. You can see it looks so cute, right? And this side I have painted a wooden basket to white and placed the TV remotes because too much of wooden color, so I just painted it to white. And below in the showcase is a Buddha face and some small ceramic cup, and this side one Gomata and a cup. This side, these flower pots my brother got from Bangkok when he went for a tour. He got 2 of them. And this is such a special gift because it was given to me by my brothers. You can see it was given in 2004. So it's with me almost for 16 years. And here you can see these two elephants and this beautiful carving. These were actually made from elephant trunk which my Pedama got from Africa. And there is one small Ganesha here, and this beautiful Ganesha was a gift from my friend, and there is one laughing Buddha. So that's our TV unit, guys. I did not add any artificial plants here. I have only added these money plants. Just made sure that the planters I add are giving a pop of color. So beside the TV unit is this key holder. So you can see this beautiful knife. This was used by my brother in his marriage. So as you come this side, you will be able to see two lady wood carvings. This my brother bought from Bangkok. And beside that is my favorite Buddha. I just love Buddha statues. I can even own hundreds of them. So you can see how peaceful it looks just at looking at Buddha statue. So and below it is this beautiful Ganesh dollar with a chain. And beside that is this beautiful butterfly which my Pedama got from US. I just added some money plant for the greens. And as you come this side, you can see the only online purchase in this whole house, that is this exclusive lane. This is from Exclusive Lane, and I have shown this even in my haul video. You guys can check it out. And as you come down, you will be able to see the dining table. So even the dining table is of brown color. So I have used here this runner just to break that color, the monotonous color, right? It's like full of brown and reddish brown. So I wanted to give a break, so I have used this teal color runner. And on the table I have placed these artificial fruits. Some I got from T Nagar, and this is my DIY tray which I placed here, and one money plant along with a ceramic doll. And as you come this side, I have placed a Ganesh statue. This one is a gift from my colleagues in IBM. At the back of it I kept a frame, and there are some coasters over here. So as we move this side, you will be able to see doors to 2 bedrooms, and on the wall we have placed a wall clock. Actually it has stopped working, we need to get it repaired. And that side is the ceramic decor which I got from Venice. And this side is the most favorite part of my living space. This is a portrait drawn by an artist of my mom, dad and my kid. So I just love it. And above it is a painting done by my mom. Let me give you guys a closer look. Every home has a story. So friends, I think you guys are enjoying my home story. So as we move down, we'll be able to see some plants here. You can see some plants here, and below it is this terracotta decor which we got from a local shop. In my decor haul I have shown one terracotta decor. We got everything, all the terracottas in our house are from the same shop, which is in Kodampakkam. So this one is also from there. I just love that shop. As you go towards Valluvar Kotam, you will be able to see that shop. So it's one of my favorite shop for terracotta purchase. You can see how beautiful this pot looks. and above it I have kept some decor pieces along with a pickle jar in which I have placed money plant. And above it I have placed another DIY planter along with money plant. You can see only money plants here. Since it's my parents' house, I have kept the decorations minimum here so it's easy for them to maintain it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So friends, don't forget to comment your favorite part in this home tour in the comment section below. Also, if you guys have any suggestions to give, do let me know in the comment section below.
So guys, I hope you guys would have liked this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up because it's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the ting 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 bell icon. Only then you'll get notification of all my future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye friends.